Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on capturing fantastic slow motion footage with your smartphone. If you are looking for an endgame slow-mo filming solution, keep watching this video. Let's begin. First on the agenda, I'm going to cover basic technicalities. The slow motion videos love big frame rates, so if your smartphone's default camera app allows you to adjust the frame rate value, set it accordingly to the desired slow motion video outcome. The rule of thumb here is the slower result you're looking to get, the higher frame rate your source video has to be recorded with. Do not worry if your phone's camera does not offer frame rate changes or doesn't even have a slow motion video mode to begin with. You can use third-party apps like Pixtica that got you covered. It is also important to stabilize your phone during the video recording, so if possible, put your device on a tripod or just hold your hands steady. Now let's record the video. This is the outcome we have gotten, so should you have any further questions, leave a comment under this video. Thanks for watching.